welcome to Grace and Lottie's. Elizabeth here. Got some happy mail in the mail right here. So get ready to open this up. I know it is, but so let's open it up and let's see what's in this box. Right here. Oh, it is a diamond painting kit from Artdot. Now, Artdot sent me this. They asked that I would review their product and just make a video saying what I thought about it. And I was excited to get it in the mail yesterday. Now, this is a beginner diamond painting kit right here. It has got, if you see right there, it has got some great little butterflies, super bright colors. So I'm looking forward to getting to see the bright colors. I like this tube that it came in. I was actually happy when I pulled the package out and I felt the tube in there. I was like, okay, so this is packaged pretty well for shipping and stuff. Stress-free relief, sparkling art. So I'm looking forward to seeing if there are some multifaceted ones in here. All age-friendly craft right here. Working with them has been great and easy. You got the instructions. I want to get your tools ready. Number 2, find the diamonds, get them all nicely sorted. Pour the diamonds into the tray. Apply adhesive with the diamond pen. Oh, so we do adhesive on this one. Okay, remove the protective. Oh, okay, so they're meaning the wax. Okay, I'm like really confused for a second. I was like, wait a minute, I don't want to have to apply adhesive to my thing. But yeah, remove the protective film, stick the diamonds, keep going until you're complete. Apply optional white glue to the surface and let sit, I guess, to make sure the diamonds don't pop up. The one I've done before that I did big, I did frame, and it's actually got glass over the front of it, so I'm not too worried about the diamonds coming off. But let's see with this one. So I've got some scissors here. Let's remove this plastic and let's see what it is like on the inside. All things look good so far. Now, I am not a diamond painting expert. This is going to be exactly the third one. Now, the second one I did was a little bit non-traditional. And I'm trying to add stitching to it, but it's really hard to get the needle through, so I kind of gave up. Okay, here we go. This is the end that comes out. It's in here firmly. There we go. Oh, they've got even little stickers. That's fun. That was a fun little bonus. We'll look at those in just seconds. Can I reach it? There we go. Okay, so this isn't a super huge canvas, which is, oh, it's long. This is longer than I was expecting. It just kind of kept going. Right here. So you can see it all bring it through here. Of course, it's shining in the light because we have the film is still on it. There's some interesting things in here. I do see some sparkly stones. So looking forward to having some sparkle. Looking at the reference photo here, it looks like, yeah, they do. They use DMC colors, and we've got 2 sparkly colors. That's what I'm guessing that means. That's what I would mean. So it's going to be fun to see that. Now let's look in here, the accessories. Just like, it feels a little bit, okay. It looks pretty normal. I like that it's blue. Blue's my favorite color. Oh, look at this. They included washi with it. Is this the wax? The wax is a little hard. Okay, I secretly love that. Oh, and this tray is nice too. This is a nice tray. So these bits, super nice. Really excited about that. Also excited about my little stickers right here that I can make. I don't know where I'll put those. I have to think about that. But so super nice. I'm like excited. Like I got washi and stuff. I've never used washi on these. Actually, this is the first thing of washi tape I've ever owned. So, FYI, fun fact. Okay, so that's got the basics here. Now I gotta begin the task of getting all of these sorted, placed where they belong. We do, it looks like, here, we'll open it up. It looks like we got some colors that are very similar in here. It is one, okay, I thought for a second it was going to be one long continuous one. I was going to be impressed with that. But there are 2 here. That means there are a total of 35 of these little packets. right here. Yeah, like 15 and 16 really close in color. Lots of purple. Look, 3 11s. Going through. There's one of the sparkles. See how those yellow is sparkly? I couldn't see that from the outer. Just a couple of those little guys. Yeah, this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So now I get to start sorting and getting these ready to go in little containers so that I can work with them. So yeah, let's get cracking. Let's see how all the little tools work. So I'm going to start with S. It's the first one up in the corner. That's where I'm going to start. Here we are. Quite a bit of S in this, so we'll go for a pretty heavy pour. Go ahead and shake it. I love that this tray has the hole up here, so I can shake, 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 shake. You know, and it's fun just to shake them. I know I've already shaken it enough, but it's pleasant. So here's my cute little blue one. I did notice that it does have the 3 on the back. I normally don't use the multi. That was really satisfying. I think I just did that on camera too. You guys could just see peeling this off. Let's go and put it back on. Ready? Ooh. Let's get a little bit of wax in here. I kind of hate putting a mark in this. Okay, there we go. We've got wax. And our first one's going to go on. It's working like it should. There's the first one's in. So many more to go. I'm happy with the way the colors look really bright, and I'm not going to know a whole lot until I get a little bit more done on how well they work together on the piece. So we're going to speed this up, and I'll check back in with you guys in just a little bit. And just like that, done. This one took a little while. Oh, I'm glad it's done. This piece really surprised me. When I saw the artwork, I was kind of like, okay, it's I wasn't like super excited about the artwork, but having done it, I actually enjoyed the process with this one, and that moving from color to color to color, you know, going, and it felt like then, even though this technically started with red, we're back here with the orange, finishing with the orange just kind of felt like a neat circular kind of journey through doing it. So it really enjoyed the process with this one quite a bit. Super happy. Everything, nothing behaved weird. Like there's nothing out of the ordinary. Nothing was, I think it's what I expected. This is the best way to phrase it. And in all of it, I had a great time. I even did one of these little guys right here. That's in a short, with that, got that little guy right there. I haven't done the other one. I don't have any pinks. So doing this one was like, oh well, I'll save it. I would like to do a pink heart. I could do a blue heart, but I was like, I don't want to do a blue heart. I want to do a pink heart. But so let's kind of go back through everything that was used with this. I have dots left over. Like the only one that was like close was Y, which is the one I finished up with. And I still had plenty. I'm going to dump it out because like it's empty here. Like, yeah, we like have less than 10 left in the Y that came with it, but there were plenty to do it. The one crazy one though is this one, number 11, which is 550. Where are you? Here it is. R or B. Sorry. I didn't even open this one. That's how many I had left over, and there's still some in the thing. Now, there's not a ton left in here, but wow, that is a lot extra. So I've got some I could use on another project if I wanted at some point. So definitely did not need to worry about running out of the diamonds. I keep this always kind of at my side right here. These are the ones that come through that are a little irregular or too small, have weird bits on them. All these this is actually a low amount for a diamond painting, especially one of this size. I would recommend it. I like Artdot. I think they created a great little piece right here. I've got plenty of materials. I loved the little extras. The extras I think really, really made it. You know, getting these little stickers, this is so funny. I love this little heart for the wax. The tray was really nice. I gummed mine up, and that is totally my fault when I got messed up and did all of the S and 5s as S's. Okay, if I had one thing to say, there were a couple of spots where 2 letters or numbers were close in like the way they look, like an S and a 5, and their color was really similar in here, so it was hard to see. The other one was with R and B. Here is R and B right there. Let's zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit better. So you can see those two, their colors are very, very similar. The same with S and 5 right here. So those were confusing. It was harder to see. I do not use a light box. I don't own a light box. If I had one, that would probably made it a lot easier on this. So if you have a light box, use it. One of the features I didn't notice when I first took it out is this is felt back. You can see here, get it a little bit, zoom back out. A little bit smudged here because I was trying to use stick tack on it, but it's felt backed, which on most surfaces will help keep it from moving my desk. Not so much. So I kind of had to chase it a little bit more than a normally with that I just use a little sticky tack in the corners and it holds. It has a nice little finished edge. You can see that up here where it's nice and scalloped, has the little imprinted design. It's not like stitched or anything, but it's just an imprint. That was also enjoyable. Just the little touches that makes it feel a little nicer. I think all in all were nice. Came with a 3 on the end as well as the single point. I prefer dotting with the single point, so that's what I use. I like the way I do it. It looks a little bit better when I use the 3. It looks a little choppy to me with the way I do it, and that's me being still somewhat of a beginner with this. So that's on me. That's not, like, if you can get beautiful straight lines using the multi-tool, go for it. With me, it looks better if I don't. Learned that one the hard way. So all in all, happy with this, would recommend. I do have an affiliate link. So they sent me this to test. They give me an affiliate link. So if you want to go get one yourself, down below, you can look, there's a link there, as well as if you just want to go on and use my code GL10 for 10% off. That is a great deal so that you can get a kit. And I mean, I think you'll be just as happy as I am with it. So anyway, until the next one, I hope that you have some happy crafting, and we'll see you next time.